now that I have the tortilla almost ready, I put it on the stove on the low burner. Put some beans down. Some nice tortilla beans. Maybe a little more. The extra nutrients. There we go. Very nice. Now, you will throw me some tomatoes. Slay her! I mean, dear assistant. Oh, they're very nice.
Look at all the colors.
Now we put it. There we go.
Now, is this an easy thing to make?
This is a simple thing to make. It only takes...
What if you're in a hurry?
This may not be the thing. The proper choice.
And what do you have to say about it? Baked beans are easy.
I think so. And is my cheese melted?
They're looking a little watery. It is a special.
You take
a special flavoring. It's called water of the can.
Now, for the finale.
Wait, it's not done. Wait. It's like a piece of shit to me. Excuse me, get out of the kitchen! I'd rather have some sugar.
It's required to. I don't want this fucking beans on my hunchback. What were you thinking?
Fuck!
Don't say that word on the air.
Fuck. Excuse me. Fuck!
Put some nice salsa on top.
Now who's gonna eat this?
I'm gonna eat this.
What?
I will eat it all in the air.
Whoa! How'd the beans get on there? You're just jealous because we have brown hair. How'd the beans get on there?
You're just jealous because I can make quesadillas.
A vegetarian meal. Brought to you by... Do you have paper towels?
I know, they're gone.